I was diagnosed with late-stage 3 melanoma back in 2011, and at the time I went through the kind of normal clinical route of having surgical procedures to treat the melanoma. And then in June time 2011, I was then invited to join a clinical trial for a new drug at the time, was ipilimumab. And this was a double-blind study, so I didn't know at the time whether I'd actually be on the drug or not. So I was put on the ipilimumab trial, and this was a 3-year study from 2011 through to until 2014, and it took a series of infusions for the first 3 months, and then every 3 months for the 3-year period. So I've been free of melanoma now since that trial, and I was invited here today to talk about that experience and to be more involved in the discussion of immunotherapy as a cancer treatment. At the time I knew about the principle of clinical trials, I knew that they're around, and I knew about cancer research. Obviously they're very high profile cancer charity, but didn't really know or understand the detail behind it, or really how important they are. Actually being on the trial itself just really brings home how important clinical trials are for helping to find this research, helping to understand what's going on with the drugs that are being used, why it works in some patients and why it works and not in others. And so it has really opened my eyes to understand just how important these clinical trials are. It's very difficult because obviously everybody's own personal journey, and it's their own personal decision as to whether they join a trial or not. But I think from my perspective, you've got to see and understand whether that particular trial and the risks involved in that, and also the potential benefits. As with everything you do, it's kind of that decision as to, well, what could go wrong, and then what are the overall benefits. And for me, at that time, the overall benefits, potential benefits, were huge. We obviously didn't know at the time how much or how successful the trial was going to be, but it's really thinking about how important the clinical trial is going to be overall, as well as your own personal journey through that. I think when I first found out about the trial and then what this particular drug actually did, my first thought was, this is so clever. This is an elegant solution to be actually able to use your body's own immune system to do a job that it does exceptionally well already, and to enhance it to treat the cancer is just phenomenal. It's an amazing discovery that they're working through at the moment. And I think for me as well, with melanoma, it's one of those cancers that the type of cancer that it migrates around the body very, very quickly. So you can see and treat a localized cancer, but it does move. It does pop up somewhere else, and so this type of treatment has the potential to be able to deal with the cancer at a molecular level is very reassuring.